Welcome to my channel Men's Kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to make tomato juice. Now this is very healthy juice as tomato is full of nutrients. So let's see what we are going to do. To make the tomato juice we are going to need tomatoes. Here I have taken 3 tomatoes. You can take as many as you want, since I am only making it for myself. Now we are going to cut them into small pieces. Also be sure to remove the small stem part. My tomatoes have been done, so now we are going to add them into a mixer grinder jar. Okay, I'm using a mixer grinder jar here, not a blender, because I don't have one. I use most of my mixer grinder for most of my recipes such as juices, smoothies and milkshakes, purees, so you can use them too. Now I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Okay, salt you can add as you want. If you want to get the maximum benefits from this healthy juice, then you should avoid adding salt. We are also going to add 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. Now these things are okay, so you have no need to avoid them. I've also shared many links to the juices and milkshakes and smoothies and other recipes that I have made in my channel in the description below. Please go check it out. I've added some water so that the juice does not become too thick. Our juice is done, so we are going to pour it into a glass. I've also shared product links in description below to the mixer grinder and glass and other tools that I've used. Our healthy tomato juice is ready. You should drink it in the morning on empty stomach to get the maximum benefit. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.